Bye, guys.
So I already have the glue in, and I'm gonna add little by little. So little by little, baking soda. So I'm gonna add little, so I don't have to mess everything up. So now I'm gonna mix it up, so I don't have to like. I'm gonna add little guys because I don't want to mess everything up. So that's why I'm adding a little bit. If you want, right? So then you want to add your food coloring. So I got green. That's the color that I wanted. So now I'm just gonna mix the green in. Very good. And you see, it's like it's turning green. Very. I like this color, guys. How it turned into green. Alright. Then you wanna add your saline solution. So then I'm gonna open it and add by little to not mess stuff up. Well, I went on the bowl. I'm not going. Right. So I'm gonna add a little bit, and I don't want to mess anything up. Just mix that all up, guys. Mix it. Oh, it's ready to turn into slime, guys. Look. Very cool and very soft. So let's keep mixing it all up, guys. So I'm mixing it more and more for I don't have to add more, but I am to not ruin it. That's why I'm just mixing it to make sure it's not ruined, guys. And it's very cold. It's very cold, guys. My hands are very cold because of this. So I'm just mixing it very good. So I'm doing the sides up to make it slime. So now I'm gonna add. Well, my hand is dry. Right now I'm gonna add a little more of this. So I am doing a little more to not ruin anything. So still mixing it. It's very cold. My hands are cold, very cold. Alright, so it's very sticky, guys, because you have to be just playing with it, guys, for it can not be sticky. That's stickiness. So just very sticky. I don't know why. And it's very cold. My hands are just cold, guys, how I said in the beginning. So look, guys, it looks very cute, guys, because of the green. It looks so light green. I thought it was gonna turn into dark green because I thought that food coloring was dark green. So look, guys, it's very fun to play with, and it's very stretchy when you're doing it. So I'm stretching it for it cannot be sticky and it's getting onto my hand. So that's all of it. I'm thinking, oh my god, I got onto my hand. So look, guys, so this is the slime that turned into it because I put that. So with this, it makes it slimy. So that's why I didn't put a lot to ruin it. So it's very soft, guys. And I like how you can stretch it and break it, and how you can like bounce it. Look, I'm gonna bounce it in one. Wait, let me put this on the side. Break, show you how to bounce it. Let's see if I can bounce it. Oh, never mind. It can't bounce up. I want to see if I can bounce it. Very good. So I'm gonna try my best to roll it into a bowl. Let's see if I can bounce it. No, it just sticks onto the table. So look, guys, you can stretch it very good, and you can break it in little pieces, and then you can get it. It can get back together. Look. Okay, so I break it in little pieces. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it back together. It got back together. So that's very cool. And I like how it's very soft and very stretchy. Look, you can stretch it a lot. And look, very stretchy. So my little secret to the slime is to put my perfume onto the slime for it to smell so good. So I got my perfume right here, and I'm just gonna do this for my slime, and I'm gonna add 2 squirts only, guys. You can add this. This is my secret. I don't think no one has done this. So what you want to do, guys, is break it into little pieces for the perfume can go everywhere, and then you want to smell it. Alright, guys. So this smells very good. It smells very good, and this is what I use, guys, to go out. So it's very good. And look, whoa, see that? That's very stretchy. Look, I